Did you know the platypus is one of the only mammals that lays eggs? When the first specimen reached Britain, scientists thought it was a hoax. Surely no animal could have a duck's bill and a beaver's tail. Yet the platypus is real, a living relic from an ancient branch of mammals quietly paddling through Australia's rivers. It's a mosaic of features from birds, reptiles and mammals, all in one small furry package. The platypus is a testament to evolution's creativity, reminding us that nature is far stranger than we imagine. Today we'll explore the secrets of this remarkable animal, from its venomous spur to its electric sense. Join me as we dive into the unbelievable life of the platypus. In the animal kingdom, defenses come in many forms, but the platypus wields a rare weapon, venom. Only males have it, a sharp spur on each hind leg connected to a venom gland that activates during breeding season. The venom isn't for hunting or fending off predators, it's for fierce battles with rival males. A single strike can incapacitate an opponent, securing the victor's right to mate. The pain from a platypus sting is excruciating and can last for weeks, even in humans. The venom is a complex mix of proteins, some similar to those in snakes and spiders, a case of convergent evolution. The platypus developed this arsenal on its own evolutionary path. When threatened, a male can swing his hind legs with surprising speed, driving the spur into a rival. This hidden weapon is a silent declaration of his ability to defend his territory. Scientists are now studying platypus venom for potential breakthroughs in pain management. It's a fascinating paradox. A gentle-looking animal with a powerful, secret defense. The platypus reminds us that even the most unassuming creatures can be formidable, so while its appearance may charm us, its venomous spur is a key to its survival. This blend of placid and perilous makes the platypus a true marvel of evolution. In the tranquil rivers of Australia, competition is fierce, and the platypus is ready. Its venom is both a weapon and a window into evolutionary innovation. The next time you see a platypus, remember, beneath that quirky exterior lies a fighter. Nature's creativity knows no bounds. The platypus is a mammal, yet it lays eggs, a trait shared only with echidnas among living mammals. After mating, the female digs a deep, secure burrow in the riverbank, sealing it off from predators and floods. Inside, she lays 1 to 3 soft, leathery eggs, more like a reptile's than a bird's. This is a direct link to the platypus's ancient ancestry. The mother curls around her eggs, incubating them with her body heat for about 10 days. When the tiny blind puggles hatch, they use a temporary egg tooth to break free. Egg-laying isn't a flaw, it's a successful evolutionary strategy that's lasted millions of years. This separates the platypus from marsupials and placental mammals, showing a different path in mammalian evolution. European naturalists once doubted the existence of egg-laying mammals, but the platypus proved nature's rulebook is flexible. The female's secretive nesting habits keep this miracle hidden from human eyes. Yet, deep in the earth, a living echo from the age of dinosaurs unfolds. The platypus's reproduction is a window into a forgotten world. It's a reminder that evolution can take many forms, even within a single class of animals. The platypus's eggs connect it to a time when mammals and reptiles were not so different. This ancient method of reproduction is a marvel of adaptation. In the darkness of her burrow, the mother's devotion ensures the survival of her extraordinary young. The platypus, once doubted, now stands as proof of nature's endless possibilities. Imagine hunting underwater with your eyes, ears, and nostrils closed. For the platypus, this is routine. It has evolved a sixth sense electroreception. When diving, the platypus seals off its senses and relies on its bill, covered in thousands of sensitive pores. Some detect touch and water pressure, but most are electroreceptors, picking up the faint electrical signals from the muscles of prey. Every twitch of a shrimp or insect larva sends out a pulse the platypus can sense. It sweeps its head side to side, building a three-dimensional electric map of its surroundings. This sense is so precise, the platypus can pinpoint prey and distinguish it from inanimate objects. Mechanoreceptors and electroreceptors work together, giving the platypus a formidable hunting advantage. While some dolphins have limited electroreception, the platypus is the undisputed master among mammals. This ability is perfectly honed for life in Australia's murky rivers. Watching a platypus forage is to witness this sixth sense in action, a silent, invisible hunt. The rhythmic movement of its head is a methodical scan, not random searching. The platypus's electric sense is a rare evolutionary marvel. It's a superpower that allows it to thrive where others would be helpless. In the world of sensory biology, the platypus stands alone. Its sixth sense is a testament to the wonders evolution can produce. The platypus's digestive system is as odd as the rest of it. After catching prey, it stores food in cheek pouches, then grinds it with keratinous pads in its bill. But here's the twist. The platypus has no stomach. Its esophagus connects directly to the small intestine. No acid, no protein digesting organ. Ancestors of the platypus had stomachs, but evolution made it unnecessary. Its diet, simple, easy to digest prey, made the stomach redundant. Some food, like shellfish, would neutralize stomach acid anyway, so the platypus lost the organ saving energy. Digestion begins in the intestine with enzymes from the intestinal wall and pancreas. This streamlined system works perfectly for the platypus, but would be unworkable for most mammals. Genetic analysis reveals ghost stomach genes, now switched off. The platypus offers a unique window into evolutionary adaptation. Even organs we consider essential can be discarded if they're no longer needed. The platypus's gut is a lesson in efficiency. Evolution pares down what isn't necessary, leaving only what works. Platypus motherhood is as unique as the animal itself. The mother feeds her young with milk, but she has no nipples. Instead, milk seeps through modified sweat glands on her abdomen, collecting in grooves of her skin. The puggles lap it up directly from her belly, a messy, ancient method of feeding. This may be how lactation first began in mammals. Platypus milk is rich in fats and proteins, perfect for rapid growth. It also contains a unique antibacterial protein, protecting the young from infection in their damp burrow. The milk is both food and medicine, a vital adaptation for survival. The mother cares for her young in the burrow for months, leaving only briefly to forage. This method is shared with echidnas, the platypus's only living relatives. It's a hallmark of monotremes, a strategy that's worked for over 160 million years. Observing this is rare, but it's a tender, intimate scene. The puggles nuzzle against their mother, finding nourishment from a life-giving patch of skin. Platypus motherhood is a living link to our evolutionary past. It's a reminder that even the basics of life can be reimagined. The platypus's bill is its most iconic feature, soft, pliable, and packed with sensors. It's not a bird's beak, but a highly sensitive organ covered with nearly 100,000 receptors. Electroreceptors detect prey, while mechanoreceptors sense the slightest touch or water movement. This dual system gives the platypus a detailed map of its underwater world. It can navigate in total darkness, feeling the shape of the riverbed and the flow of the current. The bill is both a hunting tool and a navigation system. A large part of the platypus's brain is dedicated to processing signals from the bill. In a way, the platypus thinks with its bill, its reality shaped by touch and electricity. The bill is delicate, so the platypus protects it, especially on land. Its hairless, scaleless skin is necessary for sensitivity. Any covering would muffle signals. It's a trade-off vulnerability for perception. Watching a platypus forage is to see this organ in action, a systematic sweep gathering data. The bill's constant motion is a masterclass in sensory biology. Evolution has shaped it to perfection for the platypus's needs. The bill is a living demonstration of adaptation. It's what makes the platypus a true original. The platypus's genetics are as bizarre as its appearance. Most mammals have 2 sex chromosomes, but the platypus has 10. Males have 5X and 5Y chromosomes, females have 10 X's. During sperm production, these chromosomes form a chain, ensuring the right combination for offspring. The platypus's sex chromosomes are more similar to birds than to other mammals. Some platypus X chromosomes share genes with chickens, hinting at a shared ancient ancestor. This makes the platypus a genetic bridge between mammals, birds, and reptiles. Its Y chromosomes are unusually gene-rich, unlike the shrinking human Y. Studying the platypus helps scientists understand how sex chromosomes evolve. This genetic quirk has no obvious effect on the animal's appearance or behavior, but deep within every cell is a secret that sets the platypus apart from all other mammals. It's the final piece of the platypus puzzle, a living relic of evolutionary history. The platypus proves that life's diversity extends to the deepest levels. Evolution's solutions are far stranger than we can imagine. The platypus's 10 sex chromosomes are the ultimate proof of nature's ingenuity. From its venomous spur to its electric bill, the platypus is a masterpiece of survival and adaptation. Every trait is a finely tuned solution, not a random quirk. The platypus reminds us that nature's creativity is boundless and that mysteries still await discovery. Its future depends on the health of Australia's rivers. By protecting them, we protect this living wonder. The platypus is a treasure, a testament to evolution's magic. If you enjoyed these facts, subscribe for more amazing animal stories.